Alright guys, on this 2010 F-150, we're getting this oil change required light. And so in order to reset this, all we have to do is the select reset knob right over here. Keep pressing it until you get, ooh, went too far, to hold reset for setup menu. Press and hold. Then the oil life is a 0, and then you press and hold again. And oops, the more you press it, you can set it to whatever percent you want to set it to. Just keep holding it, and 100%. Leave it right there, and that's it. Turn the truck off, turn it back on, and the message is gone.